G'day guys, it's Ryan from Big Boots UK here. I'm back with another Aussie brand of workwear that's launched in the UK. This is the boots they've brought out and one of our better sellers, the Hard Yakka 3056. So let's open it up and see what comes in the box. So I've got the 3056 in black in front of me. This also comes in wheat, which we'll show you later. It is an S1 rated boot and it has a composite toe. It also has a side zip with an anti-rub feature, so the zip won't actually rub on the inner sole of your ankle. And it's also got a protection over the toe, so if you are on your toes and rubbing your toes, you'll see that that'll knock that off first. The rubber will go off first before hitting the composite toe. And then, as you'll be able to see from the next video, exactly the same boot, however in wheat. We sell these boots for $89.99 on our website. This includes free postage as well. We are a small family business, so we do appreciate you purchasing through us. It's just my wife, myself, and my little baby boy when he wants to join in the business. However, we've sold these boots for a couple of years now, and out of all the ones we've sold, we've only had one back with an issue. So we've got a really good strike rate with these, and we think they're a really good boot, hence why we're putting them on YouTube. Any questions, just shout. Cheers.